Pib's dancing on the bar.
Pinocchio is also dancing.
Sleeping Beauty is trying to teach all of the villagers how to dance a quatrain and like really formal ball dances.
I look around at the whole group and I'm like, God, this is such a great group.
We're gonna have a problem again, you know.
Okay, I write back, this is incredible news. What do I need to know?
You see that Scheherazade writes back, I don't think you need to know anything. You've already saved our lives. I think it's our turn to save yours. This is a, I will ask, is there any place within your realm, the Neverafter, known as the land of beasts and birds? And you haven't heard that name before.
Not that I am aware of. Any other clues about what this could be? Let me think.
Immediately the text appears, that actually confirms what I already suspected, and now I'm quite sure. I believe this may be another realm like yours and ours.
Pinocchio is now using his nose as a stripping pole.
Hell yeah.
He rolls up on the bar.
I have to like consciously try to pay attention to this book because I'm like, damn, Pinocchio.
I think I know what you were talking about.
Pinocchio is triple jointed. It's incredible.
Wow, those legs up in the air.
Wow.
The shorts are getting shorter and shorter.
Keep it from being somber. This is slightly.
I think I look around and I'm like, literally the only other adult in the party is Gerard, so I message to Gerard. Yeah. I tell him everything that the book is telling me. I'm like, pretty crazy, right? Some sort of doorway to another world or letting another world in here. What do you think?
Yeah, I suppose if, well, I'm a little biased because I think Elodie might be in one of these other worlds, so I'm down to explore them.
I'm biased as well. My son doesn't know who I am in this world, is what I've been told. So if we can find one where we're back together, I would love that. Okay, does the party seem like we're ready to move?
Pinocchio does a full dead drop.
Whoa!
It's because I don't have muscles or bones or anything.
Loud. Wood on wood.
I'm writing, let's do it.
She's moving.
Incredible. So you write back, let's do it. As you write that back,